Hi YouTube, this will be my first video on the channel. Apart from my live streams of my trading that I'm trying to post every day. I understand that while my live streams can be useful for some traders, they are completely worthless and unclear for the people who just starting to trade. So I decided it will be nice to sometimes post educational videos to share my thoughts and experiences here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Max and I have been full-time day trader for almost 2 years now. The 2 years of experience is very little for the good career in professional trading. Usually it's take up to 3 years and more to become consistently profitable. But I see my progress and pretty good results, which give me reason to think I'm doing something right. Today I want to talk about my scanner in general, why you need it, what it is. Let's go to my computer screen.
Okay. A scanner is a special tool for a trader that allow you to filter stocks by certain criteria, where thousands of stocks trading at the same time on the market. So, having a good scanner is essential to quickly select the ones that fit your strategy and find new buy or sell opportunities. I use one of most popular scanners called Trade Ideas. So, let me show my layout. Each morning before market open, I use my scanner to review pre-market gappers. I like to see pre-market actions that give me confidence to make potential trade. Let me show a 5-minute chart for SBFM stock. The stock starts moving during pre-market hours from $2.30 all the way up to $6.80. On the left side of my screen is high of day momentum scanner. You can see on the scanner how fast stock is moving with increasing volume. Also, you can see the market cap and float values in the columns. If the stock meets your criteria, you can start trading. For short and long strategy, I use the different criteria. If the stock doesn't fit my criteria, I don't trade. For example, I like to trade high relative volume stocks from $2 to $10 with market cap under 100 millions and the float under 10 millions. I prefer to set up my scanner for the up gappers, down gappers, biggest winners, biggest losers, volatility stop scanner. On the right side of my screen is the low of the day momentum scanner. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know what topics I should make videos about, what you're interested in. If you have any questions, please write your comments below. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.